Today is the start of the installation of floating wetlands at the Ross sewage treatment plant. This is the first of 3 sites to have floating wetlands installed in them. Floating wetlands is a process where we install plastic modules onto a lagoon system which contain different plants. So these plants have been selected because they're native to Australia and they have really good uptake in nutrients.
Here at Ross SDP is quite a small plant, quite a simple system. The system was definitely designed at a time where the wastewater industry didn't have as grand aspirations as we have now. TasWater has instigated targets to have zero nutrient discharges to the environment, and that means going above and beyond what this system that was already here was capable of achieving.
This is a 2-year pilot. So we're trialling floating wetlands to see if they can enhance the performance of our lagoons. We have a structure where plants are planted in baskets and it all locks together to form an island. Water flows underneath this island where there are roots, and then shoots from the plants grow upwards. In the root zone, there's a big tangled mess of roots where we have biofilms that grow, and this allows sediments to settle to the bottom, and then the biofilm helps take up nitrogen and phosphorus. Then we harvest the shoots, and that's how the nutrients are removed from the system.
This is definitely a system that could be retrofitted to pretty much any lagoon treatment system to complement them and to upgrade them so that we can be striving towards those grander targets.